The new BMW X6 is here, and it's packed with a ton of great features as standard. From slim headlight units with arrow-shaped daytime driving light elements to the now standard M Sport package, this model has everything you'd want in a luxury SUV. The M Sport package features an octagonal front-end signature with striking side apertures and bold black surfaces, along with M-specific side skirts and M high-gloss shadowline trim. Range-topping models come equipped with even more distinctive design features like the M Sport Package Pro for an elevated look and feel. Prepare to be wowed by the BMW X6, it's sure to take your breath away. The BMW X6 is setting a new standard for luxury SUVs. With the choice of an 8-cylinder petrol engine, a 6-cylinder inline petrol, and a 6-cylinder inline diesel engine from their latest generation of power units, combined with the new 8-speed Steptronic sport transmission and gearshift paddles on the steering wheel, the X6 will offer you an unparalleled driving experience. And that's not all. It also features 48 volts mild hybrid technology, with an electric motor integrated into the transmission to generate an output boost of up to 12 horsepower and 147 pounds-to-foot of torque for higher efficiency and smoother acceleration. Get ready to upgrade your ride with the new BMW X6. The new BMW X6 M60i xDrive sets a new standard for performance, thanks to the advanced 4.4-liter V8 petrol engine with M twin-power turbo technology and cross-bank exhaust manifold. Combined with 530 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-foot of torque, the X6 M60i xDrive can make it from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the road today. Experience superior performance and style with this revolutionary new addition to the BMW lineup. The new BMW X6 offers an unparalleled combination of performance and comfort, thanks to its advanced chassis technology. Fitting adaptive suspension as standard, the X6 modifies its anti-roll bars in response to changes in weight distribution and strengthens them accordingly, giving it a signature blend of sporting versatility and long-distance comfort. For even greater control and agility, all models also feature integral active steering, while range-topping models come with adaptive M suspension as standard. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,